Atab cwestiynau cyflym cic heddiw.
Andy King, midfielder.
Gweitha am rannu stafell.
I've been with Sam Vokes for a long number of years now, so I can't say he's a bad roommate. You know, we've been through it all together. You know, the Euros, different campaigns, long flights and that. So, no, he's a good roomie.
Arwr pêl droed.
Growing up, I had a few heroes. You know, Ryan Giggs, Zinedine Zidane. I used to watch a lot. Steven Gerrard, Frank Lampard. It's weird how I've managed to sort of play for 3 of the 4 people I watched growing up, and you know, Zidane's manager of Real Madrid, so who knows what will happen in the future.
Bwyd cyn gêm.
Well, I usually have a big bowl of porridge and then chicken and tomato pasta and then a bit of toast. Bit of a weird combination, but I like it.
Hoff sgil.
You know, I've not got too many up my sleeve, to be honest. You know, I could probably do a couple around the world, but that's about it.
Uchafbwynt.
I've probably got 2, you know, getting to the Euros with Wales and obviously win the Premier League. And for them both to happen in the same summer of 2016, you know, it was an unbelievable few months for me.
Curo ti mewn ras.
Most of the squad, I'd imagine, with all these young players we've got through, the majority of them would probably beat me over 100 metres.